Alright, welcome back to yet another video of these today. I'm just going to crank them all out, get them done so I don't have to worry about them anymore. And you're all satisfied. And I don't feel like I wasted a bunch of money buying a bunch of playing cards. Huh. Anywho, this time we are taking a look at, let me get it right side up. Woo! Wow, both of them. Good job. There is the Green Man. So you can see it in. Flip it over here. That'd be a little easier. Oh no. Green Man cards and Primordial cards. Yeah, once again, these cards are coming from Elephant Playing Cards, I do believe. And yeah, give me just one moment. We'll take a look at them. Excuse me, give me just one moment. I'll get the tops off and we will take a look at these guys. Alright. Thought I had to pop that. There we go. Got the top off. We're going to take a look here at the Primordial cards first. There you go, try and get a good shot of it. Face of the moon on there. Master finish, made in USA. Back of it. Goodness gracious, it does not want to focus today. Come on, there we go. Primordial playing cards. So you see on the bottom here. It's distributed by Costa Pantazis. Signed by Blackout Brother. Alright. Let's take a look here. Oh, come on, fingers. Slicey slice. There's your top flap. There's your side flaps. Haven't been showing the side flaps, I apologize, folks. Just now noticed there's like detail on there. Your internal. Oh boy, I got a little rough right there. Unfortunate. There is your Joker. Hold on, we're upside down. There you go. I dig it. I like it. I like the art style. Ooh, Angry Joker. I really like that. That's dope. That's tattoo worthy. I'd get that as a tattoo. Don't tell anybody. Alright, I am loving these cards already. Check out the ace there. Your two. Got some nice detail to it. Three, same detail looks like, yeah. Huh? Yep. Four. Shuffle on through. Is it just me or is the... Okay, yeah, the background doesn't change at all. There's your jack. That's dope. I'll flip it over so you can see that too. I'm going to flip these all over because they're actually double-sided. That's kind of dope. Can't get it to focus on both of them at the same time. There we go. Maybe. Ah! Slicker cards. Alright, we're doing this one. Sorry, folks. I apologize there. Do them one suit at a time here. And your king. Interesting, the king. Yep, okay, never mind. Never mind. No comment. That's pretty cool. Alright, on to the diamonds. I like that. I like turtles. Sorry, no, that's kind of a very simple. No, I like the aesthetic, the cool, very neat art style here. The hourglass right there. It's neat. There's your diamonds. Detail on that. I see you. Alright, moving on. Shuffling through the numbers. Could be wrong, but they appear to be the same face cards. Hold on. No, those are definitely different. That's right, the jack on the other one was like the ice giant. So that's kind of cool. These are like pagan goddess, sort of. Norse gods. Oh, look at the robin. Cardinal? I'm sure somebody in the comments will tell me what kind of bird that is. Trident. I guess that would be Poseidon, wouldn't it be? Yeah, that's Poseidon right there. So I'm thinking these were all of... it's been so long since I ordered these, I should be able to tell you the backstory, but I believe that these are all like the Greek, Roman, and Norse gods. That looks like Hades to me. I could be wrong. Alright, and now that we're at the midpoint, let's take a look at the back. Here's the back for you. Get a good look up. Got the snakes, the Ouroboros snakes. I guess it's at second than Ouroboros since they're two snakes eating each other. Right? There's another word for that. Alright. Trying to pick up my cards and move along here. Here we go. Oops. There we go. Did I miss one? I did skip. Hold on. I apologize. I showed you that a turn late. Yep, so there's Hades. Would this be Persephone then? Huh. Probably, right? Honestly, I could be wrong. These could just be inspired gods and primordials. They could not actually be representing anything historical, quote unquote. Let me show you the detail on that. Shuffle through these guys. There is the ace. I dig it. I really do. I like the whole cult aspect. I know, that's probably... occult is the term I'm looking for. There is the king there. He looked like he up to something. He got some plans. Yeah, he thinking and he's scheming. He thinking and scheming. Put this side down here so I can hold these a little bit better. There we go. The queen, my favorite queen, just because she has a rose. Wins by default. Again with the bird. Once again, if you know what kind of bird that is, tell me. Probably some made-up bird, because honestly it looks like some sort of weird, like, combination between a robin, finch, and a cardinal, but I'm sure somebody might actually know. Oh, come on, get to focus. Oh, I dig that one. Again with the rose, but the rose is dying, but on the other hand, it's like the whole snake and skulls. That one's cool. Detail on the hearts there. And let's shuffle on down. And there's your spinstress threads of fate, ace of hearts, and of course the double back and a blank card. Weird that they make the blank card white? Question mark. Why wouldn't they make the blank card black? But okay. All right. Well, there is the Primordial set. I thought that was pretty cool, actually. I really dug that card, that card deck. And give me a moment here, and we'll crack open the Green Man, which I think will be just as interesting. Good thing there's a pause feature on my record cards, because man, that was a pain. First thing I want to know is how neat this box is. Like, everything is embroidered and embossed. Embossed is the word I'm looking for, not embroidered. You can kind of see. I'm going to take the sleeve off. I was going to try and save it, but I wouldn't be able to kind of show. I really dig the tuck box on this one. The Green Man. Showing up a little more green on camera than it is. It's actually more of a brown box, but that's okay. Check out the detail. Focus, please. Hello. Made in Europe. Ooh, these ones are fancy. All right. See if I can read that here. Tuck box made in Italy. Cards printed in. Designed by. Cool. Yeah, way too small. My eyes hurt already trying to read that. All right. There's the inside of the tuck. Peeking out at you. Oh boy, guys. Hold, please, as I try and get out of the plastic. Alright, thankfully that was a lot easier than the outside deck. Hold on, gotta make some elbow room. Alright. Joku playing cards. The Green Man playing cards are designed and produced in Europe by Joku. Designed by Alessandra Gagliano. Concept by Anthony Holt and Alessandro Gagliano. Apologize, Alessandra, I'm pretty sure I messed up your name. Celebration of the folklore and magic of the natural world. The Green Man is a deck of professional playing cards for magicians, cardists, gamblers, cartomancers, collectors, and lovers of magical things. It explores the myths, legends, superstitions, and beliefs of the ancient people from various cultures across the European continent, as well as serving as, come on, focus. Hello, focus. Hello. As well as serving as a visual treatise for those interested in the folklore of plants and herbs. To find out the tales behind the court cards and the significance of the botany selected for the deck, or to browse other projects, please visit www.jokucards.com. And it looks like they got an Insta there. So cool. Looks like this one has a little bit of depth to it, guys. Let's take a look here. Just going to pick up the first half real quick. Just make sure I got the first half. Right, this one does it the way I like it, where they go ace, king, king, ace, ace, king, king, ace. So here is ace of spades, starting off. Really don't know why it's not focusing on the bottom half there very well. Hold on. Just to tilt up just a little bit. Hold 1 second. There we go. Mess up here. Anyways, there we go. No, hold on, such a weird angle. Cool. Got a little nice little detail there in each one, it looks like. A little bit of symmetry. We all like symmetry. I apologize, the autofocus on your phone's camera is not the best, and I'm not trying to be a professional YouTuber here and get a whole huge setup, so that's kind of cool. I like that. 1 second, please. It's making that much of a headache you start getting just looking through here. Alright, so that was spades. Here's the diamonds. Very green indeed. So yeah, once again, go check out the folklore joku.cards. I like that one. That's cool. Old man. Alright, here is the back of the cards, as you already saw in the tuck box. Real neat. I love the detail. Just absolutely amazing. Moving on to the clubs real fast. Trying to get through this before it gets too long. I like it. Jack there. Oh, that's cool. I like it. Stone main. Alright, there's your clubs. And moving on into the hearts here. Boom. There we are. I like his helmet. His little crown. Oh, that one's pretty. I don't know why. That one's pretty though. Your old wizard Jack. Oh, focus, thank you. Interesting note, I just realized the jokers were at the end of this deck, when usually they're at the top. 4, a 3, a 2, and then there is your ace of hearts. The old winky face, giving the old winky face. Wow. Yeah, okay, hold on, we gotta take a look at these jokers proper. I like them. They goofy. They goofy, look at them. Look at them, they goofy. You're too cool for school, man. You're too cool for school. All right. So that was the Green Man deck. Again, inspired by the folklore of Europe. Check those ones out, joku.cards. Or get them all from Elephant Playing Cards. And yeah, thanks for checking these ones out. We got a few more to go. I think I know. I think. We'll figure this out here. It might be this next one, probably a 3 deck. And then we got 2 more after that. Oh boy. Yeah. I don't think I've done those ones yet. Cool. So yeah, stay tuned for the last few videos.